I'm about to show you how to set up your Samson Q2U via USB-A going into the laptop. So let's jump into the laptop and see what's going on. So here we are in OBS. So as you can see here, I do not have it into the computer yet. I wanted to show you exactly what is going on. So what we are about to hop into is just have this in to the side of the computer. And I do wonder how it's going to sound because I have my laptop. It is plugged in to power as well. So let's plug that in right now, and I want to see what the computer does. So we're just gonna have this screen here and plug it in, and I have these headphones. They are into the actual computer output. So we're gonna plug that in. So if we look on the Samson Q2U, it is green now. That will only turn on with the USB option. It will not turn on with the XLR option. So let's come over to your computer settings, and then we're gonna come into settings here and sound. So right now you can actually, so right now I'm speaking into the actual iPhone 14 I have in with this ceramic lavalier. So the output, the speakers are right now going into the actual mic. Actually, let me hook into that and see what we got. As you can see on the computer, it switched over. Let's see what we got here. Testing. Oh, that's actually cool. Okay, so the output is coming through the mic, which is pretty cool. And then your input, okay, now it's going into the Samson Q2U, and we are let's do it to 80% on the computer. Now we're gonna see what OBS sees. So here's what I use to do all this stuff. So from here we are going to set this up. So we're going to go to add source, we're going to go to audio input capture, and let's do Samson Q2U. Awesome. Now we're gonna come down, then we're gonna pick the mic, and you should be able to hear me on the now Samson Q2U. So I would say for a mic, if you're gonna talk into the computer, this is how it's going to sound. It is a bit low if you guys look at that. I for sure want to be up a little bit more between, I want to be at between -12 and -15-ish. So let me pull that over, and at the same time I'm actually going to watch it. I really need that. So we're going to pull over the settings. Awesome. I believe we can do a 2 setting. There it is. This is what you want to see. So if you guys look right here on the side, I'm at about -28, the -25-ish. And again, so let's add the input gain on here. So we're at 80%. Let's go to 90, see what that does. So we are at the 90%, and we're at about the -20 now. Let's go all the way up. Let's see what we got with that. So we're going to go all the way up and testing. So this is perfect. So you are 100% in, and you're perfect right there. So this is how you would set something like this up to talk into like a if you're going to do a podcast of some sort or XYZ. I think it sounds really clean. There's a lot more options you could do with this to make it more cleaner, as in you could highlight this, you're going to go to filters, and then you have your options with that. So we're going to come over here, and you can add in a compressor, expander, gain. I will put a video right here on the screen that's going to go over that, but this is how you connect a Samson Q2U into your laptop. Have a good day.